New topic, that is pre-processing. Today we are going to discuss about new topic, that is pre-processing. Okay, what is pre-processing? Today class we discuss. Okay. Yeah, guys. Tell me, C program execution, right? C program execution. In C program execution, what are the steps are there, right? Tell me, guys, what are the steps are there in C program execution? Tell me, Prudvi, what are the steps are there in C program execution? Yeah, Ruhina or Prudvi. Prudvi, tell me.
Writing the code,
C program execution steps. Yeah, writing a code. Okay. Yeah, writing a code. Yeah, next.
compilation,
Compilation process. Good. Yeah, next.
execution.
Executing. Okay, running. Okay, execution process. Three steps are there. Okay. Yeah, see what is pre-processing. We know only these three steps. That is nothing but a writing a code, nothing but a editing. That is editing source file. Right. After that, compilation. We'll compile the program. After that, we'll execute. Actually, what are the steps involved? What are the steps involved in C program execution? We have many steps. How many files will be created? You know this a.c file will be created, right? A.c. What is a.c? That is source file. After compiling, which file will be created? Hmm? After creating
A.obj.
a.obj file. Very good. Okay. After that, execution
A.exe.
A.exe.
a.exe. Okay. See, now we'll discuss what are the steps involved in the C program execution. Only one step or three steps are. How many steps are there? Now we'll discuss. Okay. Yeah, guys. See, what is pre-processing? I will tell you before telling this pre-processing, guys. Draw one diagram. Draw one diagram, guys. What is pre-processing? Okay. How many steps are involved? How many steps are involved? Guys, draw this diagram. Pre-processing. Guys, draw this diagram, all of you. What are the steps are there? I will tell you. Draw this diagram. Finished? Huh?
Sir.
Yeah. See here, how many files will be created? See, this is 1.c, 2.c, 3.c. One application. I assume it is a one application ABC. Application name is ABC. These are the source file in that ABC. Okay, 1.c, 2.c, 3.c. Okay, directly it won't create compilation process, right? First, before pre-processing will be performed. Pre-processing. Okay, we did see in previously we executed many programs, but we did not do any type of pre-processing. What is this pre-processing? It is a process. It is a process. It will be executed automatically. It will be executed automatically, right? Not no need to do manually. This is okay. This program will be executed automatically. After that, compilation. Okay, after pre-processing, compilation will be performed. After that, linking process will be performed. After that, loading. Okay, after loading, these are the steps. We get a exe file, right? See, what is abc.backup? Five. How many files will be created? Dot .c, dot .i, dot .obj, dot .exe, dot .bak. Okay, total five files will be created. Total five files. In C program execution, total five files will be executed. That is the dot .c. Okay, dot .i. What is dot .c means? Source file it is. Dot .i means intermediate code. Intermediate code. After object file will be created and .exe and backup file will be created. Yeah. See, definition of pre-processing, right? Definition of pre-processing. It is a program. Pre-processing is a program. Compilation is a program. Execution is a program. Loading is a program. See, compiler is a one software, right? We are using Borland Turbo C compiler. That is a collection of many programs. That is a collection of many programs. Okay, one program will be executed, right? Right. What is pre-processing? It is a program. It is a program. It will be executed automatically. It is a program. It will be executed automatically before passing the source program to compiler. Before passing the source program, before passing the source program to compiler, right? Pre-processing is a what is pre-processing? It is a program. It will be executed automatically before passing the source program to compiler. Before passing. Yeah, sorry for the interruption. It is a program which will be executed automatically before passing the source program to compiler. See, when we are compiling the program, guys, when we are compiling the program, directly it won't compile the program. First, which process will be performed? Pre-processing program will be executed. Pre-processing. Okay. What will be happen in the pre-processing? I will tell you, right? It is a program. First definition. It is a program. It will be executed automatically. See, guys, automatically. What I'm saying, it is automatically. No need to do manually. Compilation is a process. We need to do manually. We need to do manual compilation. We have to do manually. We have to execute. That is also manually. But pre-processing is no need to do manually. Okay, when this will be performed before passing the source program to compiler. Before passing the source program to compiler. Before compilation, one process will be performed that is called pre-processing. Clear? Yeah, next point. You understood, right? First point, right? Pre-processing is under control of preprocessor directives, right? Guys, pre-processing is under control of preprocessor directives. Okay, pre-processing is under control of preprocessor directives. Preprocessor directive. Okay, what are the preprocessor directives? Now I will tell you. What are the preprocessor directive? You understood, right? Second program. Okay, what is third one? Third program. Third point. Third point is what? See, pre-processing directives are pre-processing directives are start with this symbol, right? Preprocessor directives are start with this symbol, right? That is as symbol, uh, and should not be ended with semicolon, guys. Third point. What are the preprocessor? Preprocessor directives are starts with as symbol and should not be ended with semicolon. Should not be ended with semicolon. Guys, next program. Next point. Okay, right? What is the next program? Where you have to write this pre-processing directives. Where you have to write. Yeah, guys. See, where you have to write. When we are working with pre-processor directives, wherever you want to write, we can write there. Wherever you want to write, we can write. But it is recommended before starting a first function. This is what, right? When we are working with pre-processor directives, it can place anywhere in the program, right? But generally recommended to place top of the program before defining the first function. Clear, guys? Write this program. Fourth step. Anywhere you can write as define, as include, anywhere you can write, guys. But it is recommended to write before starting a program. Write the fourth point. Next point, we have four types of four types of preprocessor directives. We have four types of preprocessor directives. What are the four types of preprocessor directives? Now we discuss macro substitution directives. Yeah, guys, can you tell what are the macro substitution directives? Can anyone tell what are the macro substitution directives? Guys, what are the macro substitution directives? Yeah, Dolika. What are macro substitution directives? Guys, guess. Macros, you know, right? As defined. Second one is what? File inclusion directives. File inclusion directives. What are the file inclusion directive? As include. Okay. Macro substitution directives and file inclusion directives. Third one is what? Conditional preprocessor directives. Conditional preprocessor directives. Okay, what are the conditional preprocessor directives? We have hash if, hash else, else if, else if we write elif, hash end if, any other, hash if def, hash if and f, if and f, hash undef. These are the conditional preprocessor directives. And fourth one is what? Fourth one is what? Miscellaneous directives. Miscellaneous directives. What are the miscellaneous directives? Hash pragma and hash error, hash line. These are there. Okay, we have four types of preprocessor directives, guys. We have four types of preprocessor directives: macro substitution directives, file inclusion directives, conditional preprocessor directives, and miscellaneous directives. Okay, four types of preprocessor directives are there. Four types of preprocessor directives are there. Finished now? One by one we discuss. What is as